Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We're going to reuse a frame and take these beautiful baby shoes we found at an estate sale. They're rusty, they're crusty, they're perfection. And then we're going to take some canvas or some drop cloth and see what side we like better and measure us out a piece that will fit in our frame. We'll just take a pencil and some scissors and get it all cut out. Now, once we got that all traced and cut out, we're going to clean some glass with some alcohol and a dry paper towel. I thought I would like the glass in the frame and the texture behind the glass, but you're going to see me remove the glass and we just have that canvas texture coming through. For whatever reason, I just did not like the shine for this. Then we're going to take our little sander and scuff up our frame. We will wipe up our sand dust and then give it a good coat of black chalk paint. Now I'm going around the front, the inside, and the outside edges. Then I'm going to give this a good dry. We are going to cover the back entirely later, so I do not do the back, but you can. Once that's dry, we'll take some brown paint and a bath sponge that we've cut up. And now we're just going to kind of dab and give this a little bit more character, depth, interest, whatever. And then we're going to give that a good dry. And then we take some antique gold Rub 'n Buff and a makeup brush, and we're going to apply it here. And it looks kind of bright right now, but we're just kind of blending that all around. You can do this heavy-handed or lightly. Once we got the frame where we want it, we are going to use some hot glue to put in our canvas. I'm just tacking it in the corners in case I ever want to redo this frame later. Then I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and I'm going to outline the frame. We'll take some scissors and cut that out, and then use some Titebond Quick and Thick and some hot glue to put that piece of cardboard on the back of this so it's nice and clean looking. And I don't know the proper language, but basically this cardboard sits down inside the back of the frame. So from the side you don't see any corrugation. We'll do a layer of chalk paint and give that a good dry. Then we'll take our old rusty crusty shoes and we'll see where we want them. You could do these up and down. You could do these sideways. I'm going to end up doing them sideways. I just liked that better. But the oldness of the shoes and then the brightness of the frame was just a little too much. So I took some black wax and I went ahead and went over top of the gold. Now if your Rub 'n Buff is not dry, the wax will take it right off, so be careful. Make sure your Rub 'n Buff is dry if you're just wanting to place this on top and not remove it. So I use a makeup brush, I blend that around in a few different areas around the frame, and then I will use a paper towel to wipe up the excess. And now it looks like the shoes belong in this frame, like the frame is just as old. I use some rulers as spacers and put some Titebond Quick and Thick glue and some hot glue on the bottom of each little shoe and press it down in place. These shoes still have the packaging paper inside the toe. We're going to throw on a stapled twine hanger so that this can hang or lean. And that's it for this one, y'all. It's going to go on my gallery wall. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk at you next time. Bye!